Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram crashing problem on iPhone. So guys, if you want to fix the crashing problem of Instagram on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And after this, go back and then go to iPhone storage, and from here go to Instagram and offload Instagram app from your device for one time. And after this, download and install the latest version of Instagram app on your device as well. So as for that, open App Store and search for Instagram, and then download and install the latest version of Instagram app on your device. And if it is outdated, then you have to simply update it as well. So guys, do this, and after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time, and after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.